If you are confused about which Revolut card to pick, you are likely leaving your bank account wide open to hackers, or just making your finances way more complicated than they need to be. Today, I am breaking down exactly how to use the single-use, virtual, and physical cards shown in your menu so you can stop guessing. Stick around until the end, because I will show you a specific trick for managing your budget that most people completely overlook, which will save you hours of manual tracking every month. The reason most people get overwhelmed is that they treat their digital wallet like a regular old leather one. In the traditional world, you have one card, and if those numbers get stolen, you are stuck waiting weeks for a replacement while your funds are frozen. Revolut fixes this by splitting your access into three distinct layers of security. Think of the physical card as your travel companion, the virtual card as your daily subscription manager, and the single-use card as a protective shield for the sketchy parts of the internet. Let's get your first one set up. To get a single-use card, tap that Add New button at the bottom of your screen, then select Virtual and look for the single-use option. This card is a genius piece of tech because it generates a unique 16-digit number and CVV that works exactly one time. The moment you buy something, those details vanish, and a brand new set of numbers takes their place automatically. You should use this for every free trial or unfamiliar website you encounter. Even if that site gets hacked later, the data they have is completely useless because those card details are already dead. Next is the standard virtual card, which you can see already active in the menu. You find this under Add New and then Virtual. This card stays active with the same numbers until you decide to delete it. This is perfect for things like Netflix, Spotify, or your gym membership. You can actually create up to 20 of these. To activate it, just add the details to your Apple or Google Pay wallet right from the app. Now you can tap your phone at any store to pay, though keep in mind, these won't work for getting cash out of an ATM. Finally, you have the physical card, like the space gray one shown in your list. This is a tangible piece of plastic or metal that has your name on it. You order this after verifying your ID, and it is your primary tool for travel, in-person chip and PIN payments, and withdrawing cash from ATMs. Now for that pro tip I promised. Since you can have 20 virtual cards, you should create a dedicated card for every single category of your spending. Make one just for groceries, and one just for entertainment. Set a strict monthly spending limit on each individual card in the app settings. This way, you don't even have to think about budgeting. The card will simply stop working if you try to overspend in that category for the month. It's the easiest way to automate your self-discipline. Now that your cards are ready, you should check out how to set up pocket accounts to make sure your bill money is always tucked away safely before you start spending.